have been following along on my starting seeds for fall and winter. Here is everything that I have got going so far. They've been under lights, or mostly under lights, in my basement, under grow lights here because it's been in the 100-some degree temperatures. So I decided just to keep them cool in here. Coming next week, we have a 70-degree weather. It's going to be awesome. I'm going to start taking all this out and transplanting it outside. You don't want to take these from here and put them out in the direct sun. They won't do well. They need a transition period. The easiest way to do that is on a cloudy day. Just take them out when it's a cloudy day and they'll transition really easy. Or take them out and put them in the shade for a few days and then slowly start to move them out into the sun. That's another way to do it. It's a 2 to 3 day process when you do it that way. Or a cloudy day, I can just go out and pop them in and they'll be good. Especially that works really well if it's a couple days of clouds. If it's just 1 day of clouds, I might just still just kind of ease them into it. So these are all the seeds, like I said, that I started. I did want to show you my Melissa style microgreens, I'm calling them. This is cilantro. I just threw a whole bunch of seeds in there, and look at all that. I need to, we'll have a salad tonight. I'm going to start harvesting. I've already yanked some of these mustard green leaves off to snack on. They're so good. So even though I don't have these planted out, I'm going to go ahead and trim them off for salads and stuff. Same thing here. I'll just take some scissors and just cut across here and put them in our salad or whatever I'm making. So yeah, I just want to give an update. I'm excited. They are ready to go outside. They're getting really big. So today I'm gonna get these snapdragons potted up and these pansies, and the brown on there is cinnamon. When the soil starts getting algae on it, you can sprinkle cinnamon across it, and the cinnamon is it'll help stop that algae growth. So if you're wanting grow lights and shelves, there's so many different kinds. It's so confusing. I don't even understand it. Different light ratings and whatnot. I got these from Garden Supply several years ago, and I have been extremely happy with them. It's the grow lights just snap in up here, and I love these so much because you don't have to raise and lower them. I will not do good with that. I have too much going on to worry about raising and lowering lights over my plants. So these are, I don't know, high intensity or something. And you just keep them up there. And it doesn't matter how close or how far they are from the plant. I mean, as long as the plant's in there. And they do excellent. I have been beyond pleased with them. It is really expensive. The whole bamboo wood frame. They come with, like, you can buy one section or you can buy several together, but they come with the the square, the rectangle here, and then this tray in here, and then the lights up here. And it's expensive, but it has worked wonderfully for me, and I don't have to figure out all that other confusing grow light business that's on the internet. So I will link that down below if you're interested in that. Another thing I am trying this year for the greenhouse is ranunculus. And I did that in the late winter, early spring in the greenhouse this last season. They are such gorgeous. They did so good in the cold. I would just cover them at night, and the flowers are amazing. So I had some bulbs, or actually called corms, and I thought I would try it. So these will be ready to plant up soon. And again, all the brown is cinnamon. I had some fungal issues going on there, so just sprinkle it over. Over here I've got pansies and calendula going in here. So we have the cilantro. This is all purple sprouting broccoli. This is Japanese giant mustard greens. This is, some of this is calendula, and a lot of this big stuff is the okay. It is mustard spinach tender greens. Yes, these do so well. And I'm gonna try snapdragons in the greenhouse this fall winter. And pansies. More of the spinach mustard tender greens. Over here we've got some calendula coming up. This is calendula cantaloupe. Calendula orange king. And then I don't know, but I've got broccoli romanesco, purple sprouting broccoli. I've got green macerata cauliflower. They all kind of look alike. So I've got some cabbage coming in here. This is ornamental kale. This is the cauliflower macerata. Over here I've got some spinach, lettuce, more lettuce, and same thing here. Everything's all mixed together. My lettuces. That is a petunia. That was supposed to be calendula, but that's not calendula. That's a Laura Bush petunia. So okay, I'll have petunias too, because those do well in the fall winter greenhouse. Lettuce. And I'm so bad about, if it's not during spring, you know, I'm on my plants all the time, but when I try to grow later in the year, I'm really bad about forgetting about the plants and neglecting them. I'm busy outside watering and trying to keep that stuff alive all hot summer, and then I forget I got stuff going on inside. So that's why these look a little wimpy, but it should be okay. I've had these are all kind of leaning. I had them to the side here, so they're not getting as much light, but they'll be fine. I just turn the tray so they'll start leaning back again towards the light. But dill, we've got Johnny Jump Ups or pansies. I think those are Johnny Jump Ups. Yeah, just that is what I have going on. And always exciting stuff. Let me know if you have any questions.